As I think back of what I learned about the contemporary world, I realized that I'm standing the link of the past, present, and the future. I have grown and learned so much over this course, which has given me the opportunity to examine the depth of both modern world and society of large understanding and appreciating many viewpoints is one of the most important lessons this course has taught me. I now understand that there are many different kinds of civilizations, histories, and beliefs in the world, making in a complex and varied environment. Through interactions with a diverse array of perspectives, I have experienced my own comprehensions and involved a more complicated outlook on interactional matters. In addition, studying contemporary world has given me the critical thinking abilities I need to deal with the complexity of today's world. I now know how to challenge presumptions, do critical analysis on data, and intake a variety of methods in solving issues. This has helped me distinguish facts from fictions and make wise judgments in a world where fake news and disinformations are common. To put it simply up, the knowledge I have gained from studying the contemporary world has greatly influenced how I perceive the world and how I interpret it. My understanding of global concerns has increased as a result of this course, and I have given me a greater feeling of responsibility for being an informed and active global citizens. I take the things I've gained and the scores with me as I go since I know they will help me in both my personal and professional activities. I'm grateful.